Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. So now these are the daily hamster combat combo for today right here. So let's get straight to the video. So you go to where it says mine right here, and then we will scroll down for the first card right here. So I think the first card is not here, so you go to PR team, and the first card is hamster tube. So you click on it and purchase this card, go ahead. And then this is the second card, coin desk right here. Click on where it says go ahead. So now as you can see, we have two cards right now. The last card is in legal. So legal, you scroll down and then license India. This is the third card. Click on go ahead, and then boom guys, we are done for the day. This is the daily combo for today. All you have to do is to claim your prize right here. This is the price. So click on where it says take the prize, and then boom guys, we are here. I've claimed my 5 million coins here. New to this channel, subscribe, like this video, and let me know what you think in the comment section. This will help me know you love the content that I give out. I'll be there in the comments to answer all your questions, so don't forget to comment. Peace out guys.